McAfee CM Online Training. Introduction to McAfee CM. McAfee CM, Security Information and Event Management, is a comprehensive solution designed to help organizations manage their security operations more effectively. CM systems like McAfee's integrate Security Information Management, SIM, and Security Event Management, SEM, functionalities into a single platform. Here's an introduction to the key features and benefits of McAfee CM. Centralized logging and monitoring. McAfee CM collects and aggregates log data from various sources across your IT infrastructure, including network devices, servers, applications, and security systems. This centralized approach allows security teams to have a unified view of their environment. Real-time event correlation. The CM platform analyzes the collected logs and events in real time to detect security incidents and threats. It uses correlation rules and algorithms to identify patterns that may indicate malicious activities or policy violations. Threat intelligence integration. McAfee CM integrates with threat intelligence feeds to enhance its ability to detect and respond to known threats. This integration helps in identifying indicators of compromise, IOCs, and suspicious behaviors based on up-to-date threat information. Incident response and workflow automation. Upon detecting a security incident, McAfee CM supports incident response processes by providing workflows and automation capabilities. This includes alerting security personnel, executing response actions, and documenting the incident for further analysis. Compliance reporting. For organizations subject to regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, PCI DSS, McAfee CM provides predefined compliance reports and templates. These reports help in demonstrating adherence to security policies and regulations during audits. User and Entity Behavior Analytics. Yuba McAfee CM includes Yuba capabilities to monitor and analyze user behavior and entity activities. This helps in detecting insider threats, compromised accounts, and anomalous behaviors that may indicate a security breach. Scalability and flexibility. The platform is designed to scale with the organization's needs, supporting large volumes of data ingestion and processing. It offers flexibility in deployment options, including on-premises, cloud, and hybrid environments. Integration capabilities. McAfee CM integrates with other security products and third-party solutions through APIs and connectors. This integration enables a more holistic security posture by leveraging existing investments in security technologies. Understanding cybersecurity threats. Types of threats. Malware, software designed to damage or gain unauthorized access to a computer system. Phishing, attempt to obtain sensitive information by disguising as a trustworthy entity. Denial of service, DOS, overloading a system's resources to disrupt normal functioning. Man-in-the-middle, MITEM, intercepting communication between two parties without their knowledge. SQL injection, exploiting vulnerabilities in web applications to gain access to databases. Vulnerabilities. Software vulnerabilities, bugs or weaknesses in software that can be exploited. Human vulnerabilities, social engineering tactics that exploit human psychology to gain access. Cybersecurity measures. Encryption, protects data by converting it into a form that can only be read with a decryption key. Firewalls monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. Antivirus software detects and removes malware from computers and networks. Two-factor authentication TUFA requires users to provide two forms of verification before granting access. Risk management, risk assessment, identifying, assessing, and prioritizing risks to the organization's assets. Incident response, preparing and responding to cybersecurity incidents effectively to minimize damage. Emerging threats, IoT, Internet of Things, vulnerabilities, increasing connectivity introduces new avenues for attacks. AI and machine learning attacks, exploiting AI systems or using AI for cyber attacks. Ransomware, malicious software that blocks access to a system or data until a ransom is paid. Best practices. Regular updates. Keep software and systems updated with the latest security patches. Awareness training. Educate employees about cybersecurity risks and best practices. Backup and recovery. Regularly backup critical data and test restoration procedures. McAfee CM Components Overview. McAfee CM, Security Information and Event Management, is a comprehensive solution designed to provide real-time insights into security events within an organization's IT infrastructure. It combines capabilities of both CM and log management to offer a holistic approach to security monitoring, threat detection, and incident response. Here's an overview of the main components typically found in McAfee CM. Event Receiver. This component collects log and event data from various sources across the network. It acts as a central aggregation point for incoming security event data. Event Processor, responsible for processing the collected events, normalizing them into a common format, and applying correlation rules to identify potential security incidents. Event Database, local or remote, stores normalized event data for analysis, reporting, and compliance purposes. It can be local, embedded within the CM solution, or remote, using external database servers. Dashboard and User Interface provides a graphical interface for security analysts to monitor and investigate security events. Dashboards typically display real-time alerts, trends, and other relevant security metrics. Correlation Engine applies correlation rules to analyze events and identify patterns that may indicate security incidents or threats. This helps in prioritizing alerts and reducing false positives. Incident Response Workflow enables security teams to manage and respond to security incidents effectively. This may include features for case management, incident documentation, and collaboration among team members. Threat Intelligence Integration integrates with external threat intelligence feeds to enhance the detection capabilities of the CM solution. This allows organizations to stay updated on the latest threats and indicators of compromise, IOCs. Compliance Reporting provides pre-built and customizable reports that help organizations demonstrate compliance with industry regulations and internal security policies. Advanced Analytics and Machine Learning. Some modern CM solutions, including McAfee CM, incorporate machine learning algorithms and advanced analytics to detect anomalous behavior and unknown threats. Integration capabilities offers integration with other security tools and IT infrastructure components such as firewalls, antivirus systems, and endpoint detection and response (EDR) solutions for enhanced visibility and automated response. Basic navigation of the McAfee CM interface. Dashboard. Upon logging in, you'll usually see a dashboard that provides an overview of key metrics and alerts. This dashboard can be customized based on your preferences and the specific needs of your organization. Navigation menu. The interface typically has a left-hand navigation menu that categorizes different functionalities. Common sections include Dashboards provides various pre-built and customizable dashboards for monitoring security events. Monitoring includes real-time monitoring of security events and alerts. Investigation tools for investigating security incidents, including search functionalities and correlation tools. Reports allows you to generate and view reports on security incidents, compliance, and other metrics. Administration settings for configuring the CM, managing users, integrating data sources, etc. System information about the CM system itself, such as status, health, and updates. Search and query. One of the core functionalities is the ability to search and query security event data. This is often done through a search bar where you can enter keywords, IP addresses, usernames, or other criteria to investigate specific events. Alerts and notifications. The interface will display alerts and notifications based on configured rules and policies. These alerts can often be prioritized based on severity or other criteria. Customization. McAfee CM interfaces can usually be customized to a certain extent. This may include creating custom dashboards, modifying alert thresholds, or defining new correlation rules. Integration. It's common for CM interfaces to integrate with other security tools and data sources. This integration may involve configuring connectors or APIs to ingest data from firewalls, antivirus systems, intrusion detection systems, IDs, etc. Reporting. Generating reports is another key function. Reports can provide insights into security incidents, compliance status, and overall system performance. Configuring data sources for McAfee CM. 1. Identify data sources. Determine which devices and systems in your environment generate security event logs that you want to monitor and analyze with McAfee CM. These can include firewalls, intrusion detection prevention systems, IDs IPS, servers, Windows, Linux, etc. Network devices, routers, switches. Endpoint protection systems. Databases. Applications. 2. Install McAfee CM Collector, Receiver. Set up and configure a McAfee CM Collector, also known as a receiver or sensor, in your network. This is responsible for receiving and aggregating event data from various sources. 3. Configure data source integration. McAfee CM supports various methods to collect data from different sources. Syslog. Configure devices to send syslog messages to the CM collector using UDP or TCP protocols. SNMP. Set up SNMP traps or queries to gather information from network devices. API integrations. Some applications and systems provide APIs that CM platforms can use to pull event data. Native log collection. Install McAfee CM agents or modules on endpoints or servers to collect logs directly. Database queries. Use SQL queries to pull security events from databases. 4. Create data source profiles. In the McAfee CM console, create data source profiles for each type of data source you want to integrate. This involves specifying parameters such as IP addresses or host names of the devices sending logs, protocols, syslog, SNMP, etc., and port numbers, credentials, if required for authentication. Alert management in McAfee CM. 1. Alert generation. McAfee CM collects and correlates security events from various sources such as firewalls, IDs, IPS, endpoint agents to identify potential security incidents. When predefined conditions or rules are met, such as unusual network traffic, unauthorized access attempts, malware activity, an alert is generated. 2. Alert prioritization. Alerts are prioritized based on severity levels assigned during rule creation or based on the impact and risk of the detected event. McAfee CM typically categorizes alerts into high, medium, and low severity levels to help prioritize response efforts. 3. Alert notification. Once an alert is generated and prioritized, McAfee CM can notify designated personnel or teams responsible for incident response. Notifications can be sent via email, SMS, or integrated with third-party incident response platforms. 4. Alert triage and analysis. Security analysts or incident response teams investigate the alert to determine its validity and impact. McAfee CM provides tools for deep analysis, including access to raw event data, correlation details, and context about the affected systems or users. 5. Incident response. Based on the analysis, the incident response team takes appropriate action to mitigate the threat. Actions may include containment, eradication of malware, investigation of compromised systems, or escalation to higher levels of management. 6. Alert resolution and documentation. After resolving the alert, McAfee CM facilitates the documentation of the incident response process. Incident details, actions taken, and lessons learned are documented for compliance purposes and future reference. 7. Continuous improvement. McAfee CM allows organizations to improve their alert management process continuously. This involves reviewing and updating alert rules based on new threats, tuning correlation rules for better accuracy, and refining incident response procedures. McAfee CM and compliance requirements. Log management and retention. CM solutions like McAfee help organizations collect, store, and manage logs from various systems and devices. Compliance standards often require organizations to retain logs for a specified period. McAfee CM ensures logs are centralized, protected from tampering, and easily accessible for audits. Real-time monitoring and alerting. Compliance frameworks such as PCI DSS, HIPAA, GDPR, etc., mandate real-time monitoring of security events. McAfee CM continuously monitors logs and events from across the IT infrastructure, identifying potential security incidents promptly. It generates alerts based on predefined rules and correlations, enabling timely response to security threats. Incident response and forensics. Compliance standards often require organizations to have effective incident response and forensic capabilities. McAfee CM provides tools for incident detection, investigation, and response. It helps security teams analyze incidents, understand their scope, and mitigate risks promptly, which is crucial for maintaining compliance. Audit and reporting. McAfee CM simplifies compliance reporting by providing predefined reports aligned with various regulatory requirements. It allows organizations to generate customized reports that demonstrate compliance with specific controls and regulations. This capability streamlines the audit process and ensures that the organization can prove adherence to compliance mandates. User activity monitoring. Many compliance standards require monitoring of user activities and access to sensitive data. McAfee CM can track user behavior across systems and applications, detecting anomalies or unauthorized actions. This capability helps organizations enforce access controls and demonstrate compliance with data protection regulations. Integration capabilities. McAfee CM integrates with a wide range of IT systems, security tools, and infrastructure components. This integration ensures comprehensive visibility across the IT environment, facilitating compliance with multifaceted requirements. It allows organizations to consolidate security operations and streamline compliance efforts effectively. McAfee CM deployment options. On-premises deployment. Enterprise Security Manager, ESM, the core component of McAfee's CM solution. ESM can be deployed on-premises within an organization's data center. This option provides full control over the infrastructure and data but requires the organization to manage hardware, software updates, and maintenance. Virtual Appliance. McAfee offers virtual appliance options for deploying their CM solutions. This allows organizations to leverage virtualization technology to run the CM platform on existing infrastructure, reducing hardware costs and providing flexibility in resource allocation. Cloud deployment. McAfee Vision Cloud, formerly Skyhigh Networks, for organizations adopting cloud-first or hybrid cloud environments. McAfee offers CM capabilities integrated with cloud security features. Vision Cloud supports monitoring and protection across various cloud services and applications. Managed Security Services Provider, MSSP. McAfee partners with MSSPs who offer CM as a managed service. This option is beneficial for organizations lacking in-house expertise or resources to manage CM effectively. MSSPs handle deployment, configuration, monitoring, and ongoing management of the CM solution. Hybrid deployment. Some organizations may opt for a hybrid deployment model, combining on-premises CM with cloud-based CM capabilities for flexibility and scalability. McAfee supports hybrid deployments through integration with their cloud offerings and on-premises solutions. Best practices for using McAfee CM. Plan your deployment. Architecture design. Ensure your CM architecture, such as data sources, collectors, correlation engines, is well designed to handle your organization's scale and requirements. Scalability. Consider future growth and ensure your deployment can scale accordingly. Data collection. Comprehensive data sources. Collect logs and data from critical assets including servers, network devices, endpoints, and applications to get a comprehensive view of your environment. Normalization. Normalize logs and data from various sources into a consistent format for easier analysis and correlation. Use case definition. Identify use cases. Define specific security use cases, example detecting malware infections, insider threats, brute force attacks, that you want the CM to address. Correlation rules. Create and tune correlation rules to detect security incidents based on your use cases. Incident response. Automate responses. Integrate with your incident response processes to automate responses to identified threats whenever possible. Playbooks. Develop and maintain incident response playbooks that outline steps to be taken based on different types of security incidents. Continuous monitoring. Real-time monitoring. Monitor events and logs in real time to quickly identify and respond to potential security incidents. Log retention. Define log retention policies to ensure you retain logs for a sufficient period as per regulatory requirements and for forensic investigations. What is CM? Security Information and Event Management. Event collection. Gathering and aggregating log data generated throughout an organization's technology infrastructure, including host systems, applications, network devices, and security controls. Normalization. CM systems normalize the collected data, meaning they standardize and categorize it to facilitate easier analysis and correlation. Correlation. CM systems correlate events from different sources to distinguish normal behavior from potentially malicious activities. This correlation helps in identifying security incidents that might otherwise go unnoticed when viewed in isolation. Alerting. Once potential security incidents are identified through correlation, CM systems generate alerts to notify security administrators. These alerts often include information about the nature of the incident, its potential impact, and recommendations for response. Dashboards and reporting. CM systems provide dashboards and reports that summarize and visualize security data. These tools help security analysts and administrators understand trends, identify patterns of activity, and assess the overall security posture of the organization. Compliance. Many CM systems include features that assist organizations in meeting regulatory compliance requirements by providing audit trails and reports that demonstrate adherence to security policies. Why is McAfee CM important for cybersecurity? Centralized visibility. CM platforms like McAfee provide centralized visibility into an organization's security posture by collecting and analyzing log data from various sources such as network devices, servers, applications, and endpoints. This aggregated view allows security teams to detect threats more effectively. Threat detection and response. McAfee CM uses advanced analytics and correlation capabilities to detect suspicious activities and potential security incidents in real time. By correlating events from multiple sources, It can identify patterns indicative of an attack or unauthorized access attempts. Incident investigation and forensics. When a security incident occurs, CM tools like McAfee provide forensic capabilities to investigate the scope and impact of the incident. Detailed logs and historical data stored in CM can help analysts understand the timeline of events and the techniques used by attackers. Compliance and reporting. Many industries have regulatory requirements that mandate the collection, retention, and analysis of security event data. McAfee CM helps organizations comply with these regulations by providing predefined reports and supporting audit processes. Operational efficiency. By automating the collection, normalization, and analysis of security data, McAfee CM reduces the workload on security teams. It allows analysts to focus on investigating and responding to critical security incidents rather than manually sifting through numerous logs. Threat intelligence integration. CM solutions integrate with threat intelligence feeds, enhancing their ability to detect emerging threats and zero-day vulnerabilities. McAfee CM can leverage threat intelligence to prioritize alerts and improve the accuracy of threat detection. Scalability. As organizations grow and their IT infrastructure expands, McAfee CM scales to handle increased data volumes and diverse sources of information. This scalability ensures that security monitoring remains effective even as the organization evolves. How does McAfee CM detect and respond to threats? Event collection. McAfee CM collects and aggregates logs and events from various sources within an organization's IT infrastructure. These sources may include network devices, servers, endpoints, applications, and security appliances. Normalization and parsing. Once collected, the CM normalizes and passes these events into a common format. This allows disparate types of data from different sources to be processed and analyzed uniformly. Event correlation. McAfee CM employs correlation rules to analyze the normalized data in real time. These rules define patterns or sequences of events that might indicate suspicious or malicious activity. When a rule is triggered by a specific event or combination of events, it generates an alert. Alert generation and prioritization. Alerts are generated based on the correlation rules. McAfee CM assigns priorities to these alerts based on severity and potential impact. Critical alerts indicating serious threats are prioritized for immediate response. Threat intelligence integration. McAfee CM integrates with threat intelligence feeds and databases. This integration enriches the analysis by providing information about known threats, indicators of compromise, IOCs, and other relevant contextual data. Incident response orchestration. Upon detecting a potential threat, McAfee CM facilitates incident response through automated and manual actions. It can trigger automated responses such as blocking IP addresses, isolating compromised systems, or executing predefined playbooks for common security incidents. Forensic analysis and investigation. For deeper analysis, McAfee CM supports forensic investigation capabilities. Security analysts can drill down into specific incidents, view raw logs, conduct timeline analysis, and trace the root cause of an attack. Compliance reporting. McAfee CM helps organizations meet compliance requirements by providing predefined reports and audit trails. These reports document security events, policy violations, and the organization's overall security posture. Continuous monitoring and machine learning. McAfee CM continuously monitors the IT environment for new threats and adapts its detection capabilities using machine learning algorithms. This helps improve accuracy in identifying anomalous behavior that may indicate emerging threats. How does McAfee CM integrate with existing IT infrastructure? McAfee CM detect and respond to threats. Data collection. CM solutions like McAfee can collect log data from various sources across the IT environment, including network devices, routers, switches, firewalls, servers, Windows, Linux, Unix, applications, databases, web servers, custom applications, endpoint devices, desktops, laptops, mobile devices. Integration involves configuring these devices and applications to send their logs to the McAfee CM system. This can often be done through agent-based or agentless methods, depending on the device's capabilities and configuration preferences. Log normalization and parsing. Once data is collected, McAfee CM normalizes and passes these logs into a standardized format. This process is crucial because different devices and applications often use different log formats, and standardization allows for consistent analysis and correlation of security events. Correlation and analysis. McAfee CM correlates the normalized log data to identify potential security incidents or anomalies. This involves applying rules and algorithms to detect patterns or behaviors indicative of threats such as malware infections, unauthorized access attempts, or data breaches. Alerting and incident response. When potential security incidents are detected, McAfee CM can generate alerts and notifications to IT and security teams. These alerts provide information on the nature of the incident, its severity, and recommendations for response actions. McAfee CM can also automate response actions through integrations with other IT security tools, example, firewall blocking rules, endpoint isolation. Integration with IT operations. Beyond security monitoring, McAfee CM can integrate with IT operations tools for broader visibility and management. This integration helps in aligning security incidents with operational context, such as asset management databases, configuration management systems, and IT service management (ITSM) platforms. How does McAfee CM handle log management and analysis? McAfee CM, Security Information and Event Management, handles log management and analysis through a structured process designed to enhance security monitoring and incident response capabilities. Here's how it generally works. Log collection. McAfee CM aggregates logs from various sources across the IT environment, including network devices, servers, endpoints, applications, and security appliances. It supports a wide range of log formats and protocols to ensure comprehensive coverage. Normalization. Once logs are collected, McAfee CM normalizes them into a common format. This normalization process is crucial as it standardizes the data for consistent analysis and correlation. It includes parsing out relevant fields, timestamps, and categorizing events based on predefined rules and parsers. Storage and retention. Normalized logs are then stored securely within the CM platform. McAfee CM typically offers options for both short-term and long-term storage, allowing organizations to retain logs based on compliance requirements and operational needs. Real-time analysis. McAfee CM continuously analyzes incoming log data in real time. It applies correlation rules, statistical analysis, and behavioral monitoring techniques to detect security incidents, anomalies, and patterns indicative of potential threats or breaches. Alerting and notification. Upon detecting suspicious activities or security incidents, McAfee CM generates alerts. These alerts are prioritized based on severity and relevance, enabling security teams to focus on the most critical threats first. Notifications can be configured to notify appropriate personnel via email, SMS, or integration with ticketing systems. Forensic analysis and investigation. McAfee CM provides tools for forensic analysis and investigation. Security analysts can conduct deep dives into incidents, access detailed logs and session data, and reconstruct timelines of events to understand the full scope and impact of security breaches. Reporting and compliance. McAfee CM offers robust reporting capabilities to provide visibility into security posture, compliance status, and operational efficiency. It generates predefined reports and allows customization to meet specific reporting requirements of organizations and regulatory standards. Integration and automation. McAfee CM integrates with other security tools and IT systems to enrich data and automate response actions. This integration enhances overall security operations by streamlining workflows and accelerating incident response. Why choose ProExcellency for McAfee CM online training? Choosing ProExcellency for McAfee CM online training could be advantageous for several reasons. Expertise in McAfee CM. ProExcellency likely specializes in McAfee CM training, meaning they have deep knowledge and experience with the platform. This specialization can ensure that you receive high-quality, targeted instruction. Comprehensive curriculum. They may offer a well-structured curriculum that covers all aspects of McAfee CM, from basics to advanced topics. This ensures you gain a thorough understanding of the tool. Experienced instructors. The trainers at ProExcellency are likely experienced professionals in the field of cybersecurity and McAfee CM. Their practical experience can provide valuable insights beyond theoretical knowledge. Interactive learning. Online training with ProExcellency may include interactive sessions, practical exercises, and real-world scenarios. This hands-on approach can enhance your learning experience and help you apply what you learn. Flexibility. Online training allows for flexibility in scheduling and learning pace. ProExcellency's courses might accommodate different time zones and busy schedules, making it easier to fit training into your routine. Certification preparation. If certification is your goal, ProExcellency may offer training that aligns with McAfee CM certification exams. Their courses may include exam preparation materials and guidance. Support and community. They might provide ongoing support through forums, chat groups, or direct assistance from instructors. This can be invaluable when you encounter challenges or have questions during your learning journey. Thank you.